The Skmei 2100 is absolutely feature-packed. Let's check out all the features this watch has. First, this watch actually has glow-in-the-dark hands. Also, this watch has got some really nice backlight as well, so you can easily see your time at night as well. And as you can see, it actually fades out as well. Actually nice finishing touch. On the dial here, you can see your display here, and also you can see your current day here as well. And this works as well, so this simply like indicator moves to the correct day when the day basically comes. So let's check out all the functions this watch has. So first you can see your time and also seconds. So this watch can get 12 and 24-hour format. When we click this button in the time, you can also switch to the date. So when we switch this is a mode button, and we can cycle to the next mode. So basically this is basically time zones, dual time zones you can get. So you can press and get more of them. Then also we have a stopwatch, so we can start stopwatch and pause with this. Also reset with this button. And stopwatch is really good on this. Also we can do a split lapse on this stopwatch as well. Okay, next function is timer, and timer also is really good. So if you want to set timer, simply hold this upper button, and here you can adjust the hours basically. So we can set 0 hours. Also this has a back button as well, so you can cycle up and down. Okay, so we can cycle, as you can see, very easily. If you want to start it, simply press this, and the timer for 7 minutes gets launched. Okay, so the maximum timer is 24 hours. Actually on the real G-Shock 2100 watch, basically the timer limit is, I think, only 100 minutes. So this actually has better timers than the actual G-Shock watches. Okay, so next function is alarms. So this actually has got 5 different alarms, which is actually really good. Also this has an hourly chime as well, if you want to set that. We can also listen to the alarm tone if you want to. You can click and hold this for like 5 seconds. So this is what the alarm sounds. And also the beeps on the buttons also sound really good. So again, dual time, and that's pretty much it when it comes to the functions. So if you want to adjust the time, go to the time mode first and press and hold this button. Okay, so then we can basically change. Okay, so oh yeah, you have to basically change your time zones first, then daylight saving mode if you want to enable that, then 12 hours or 24 hours, so you can switch between that, and we can reset the setting, the seconds to 0 with this button, and then also adjust your hours, and you can also adjust your minutes, your year, like months and date. And also you can disable the key sound as well on this watch if you do not want that. And also this backlight duration, so we can set it either 1 second or 3 seconds. And if you want to adjust maybe these hands, fine-tune them if they aren't like correct position, again you have to go in the like again in this time mode, and then press and hold this for like till beep once, but keep holding it. Okay, and release then. And basically you can adjust then these, as you can see. So this actually can be adjusted, quite cool. So simply press this hold for a very long time till these various options pop up, and then release them as basically to adjust the thing you actually need. And yeah, also this watch, as you can see, once you adjust your time, it will simply go around and around and around itself till it lands on the correct time you have set. That's pretty cool actually. When it comes to the water resistance, This watch has got 5 ATM rating, so this is good for like light splashes, maybe some swimming, stuff like that. But again, you shouldn't operate this watch underwater. So it can, it says in the manual, it can do like super light swimming, but don't press these buttons. Again, this isn't as durable as G-Shock when it comes to like water resistance, but still the overall build quality and feel and the sealing, I think, is super good on this watch. Also, let me show you the manual here. So if you want to pause, all the functions, mode switch, so simply feel free to pause if you want to inspect what this watch can do. So you can see it's very advanced actually, and just as advanced as Casio watches. So yeah, they have done a really good job on this watch. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, overall this watch is actually insanely cool. The only negative thing about this watch is really, you can see what is the negative thing. As you can see, basically, once you have, for example, between 4 and 6, these dials basically cover the screen and you can't see anything on them. That's really the only negative thing. But really, yeah, this is very obvious. And also on the G-Shock watches, it's the same thing. So yeah, physical limitation. But yeah, apart from that, I haven't really experienced any negative stuff about this watch, and I have worn it for a few days. Overall, I think this is actually, again, super good watch, and yeah, for the price they are charging, it's absolute steal. So I think the regular price is like $6 or $7 on this watch, but I paid personally only $1 for this watch during some promo. So yeah, absolutely great watch. Good luck.